Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we will explore how to create a business speaker stance enhancement using Puppet Warp in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load a conference speaker image. I pause because stance communicates authority. I duplicate the layer and convert it into a smart object. I activate Puppet Warp and place pins on shoulders, knees, and ankles. I gently straighten the spine. I stop and feel the balance. Business visuals should feel grounded. I add a control pin at the waist to prevent stretching. I slightly rotate the shoulder to open posture. I zoom in and check edges. I commit the warp and zoom out. The speaker now looks confident